A few months ago, one of our subscribers received a Google Swag box. So today, I'm going to tell you exactly how they got it and how you can get yours too. I'll walk you through step by step how to claim that prize. It's super easy and simple. Step 1. Create a new Google account. Make sure it's a new one. Don't use your personal account. Step 2. Subscribe to Google Academy. I've put the link in the description. Once you subscribe, you will get a confirmation email from Google. Once you subscribe, you'll enroll in the Academy program. The UI might look a little different depending on when you watch this video, as I'm recording it during Diwali, but everything will be similar. Once you're in, you'll find labs listed for the tasks. Each lab has points, like 3 points for completing that lab. You can see the prize counter above, where you can check what swag is available. Once subscribed, you'll get access to various labs. Complete them to earn points. Each lab gives you points, and as you collect more points, you become eligible for swag. When you hit 25 points, you can claim your prize. So what did I do? I enrolled, then started completing labs. To complete a lab, you'll get a code. Copy that code and click on Start. You'll go to the next page, paste the code there, make sure there are no spaces, and hit enter. After that, you'll be in the lab and you can complete it. Make sure to use incognito mode while completing the labs to avoid using your personal account. Also, enable notifications on Google Cloud. And by copying some shortcut codes, I was able to finish the labs quickly. The labs are easy but time consuming, so using shortcuts can save you a lot of time. Once you complete all the labs and collect points, you can claim the swag. When you reach 25 points, you will get an email confirming that you can claim the swag. Also, to receive that email, you need to enable notifications for your Google Cloud account. I will provide the link to Google Cloud. Sign in with the new account you created, go to settings and check all the update boxes so you will get all the necessary updates including the swag claim email. This isn't rocket science, anyone can do it. You don't need any coding knowledge or experience. Anyone can participate and win swag, it's just about completing the labs. This program runs for 6 months. If you are between January and June, you'll get the swag email around June or July. If you are between July and December, you'll get the email in December or January. So check your timeline and stay tuned. Bye for now.